Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance is a philosophical exploration disguised as a memoir and travelogue. The narrative follows a father and son as they embark on a motorcycle journey across America, weaving personal reflection with a deep philosophical inquiry into the nature of quality, values, and existence. The protagonist, unnamed but often referred to as Phaedrus in his philosophical reflections, is haunted by his past struggles with mental illness and his pursuit of an elusive understanding of quality, a concept he views as central to life and reality. The book alternates between the literal journey and what Pirsig terms the Chautauqua, a philosophical discourse that blends elements of Eastern and Western thought. Pirsig explores the tension between the rational and romantic approaches to life, using the act of motorcycle maintenance as a metaphor. Rationality, exemplified by understanding and applying mechanical principles, represents logic and structure. Romanticism, reflected in the appreciation of beauty and experience, embodies intuition and emotion. The interplay between these two modes of understanding drives the narrative and frames the protagonist's philosophical quest. As the journey unfolds, the strained relationship between the father and son mirrors the protagonist's internal conflict and quest for reconciliation. The son's quiet demeanor hints at emotional distance and inherited struggles, reflecting the weight of the father's philosophical obsession. Through their shared journey, the protagonist seeks to bridge the gap between these opposing forces in both his personal life and broader understanding of existence. The book's central philosophical inquiry revolves around the concept of quality, which Pirsig sees as the source of both rationality and romanticism. He argues that quality is the intersection where art meets science, intuition meets intellect, and experience meets analysis. By exploring the roots of quality and its implications, the narrative challenges readers to rethink their perceptions of knowledge, values, and the relationship between the mind and the world. Ultimately, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance is about the search for balance and harmony in life. It underscores the importance of mindfulness, attentiveness, and integrating the rational and romantic ways of being. The journey, both literal and metaphorical, reflects the universal human struggle to make sense of life, reconcile inner conflicts, and pursue a deeper understanding of meaning and fulfillment. Life lessons from the book: balance, rationality, and emotion. True understanding and fulfillment come from integrating logical analysis with emotional intuition. Neither can exist in isolation without diminishing the richness of human experience. Mindfulness in everyday tasks. Even mundane activities like motorcycle maintenance can become profound when approached with care and mindfulness. Finding beauty and meaning in the details of life can transform how we perceive and engage with the world. The pursuit of quality. Quality is not merely a metric, but a fundamental way of engaging with life. Striving for excellence, whether in work, relationships, or personal growth, can bring deeper satisfaction and meaning. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. The act of traveling, learning, and exploring is as important as achieving goals. Life's richness lies in the process of discovery and growth, not just in outcomes. Reconcile inner conflicts. Personal growth requires addressing and harmonizing conflicting aspects of oneself, such as rationality and emotion, past and present. This reconciliation fosters wholeness and clarity in navigating life.